Hey everyone, I am MAKAILA. I am 11 years old. I am a 6th grader. I live with both of my parents and my 11 cats. And today I will be doing a food review. But before we get into the review, I want to tell you guys a little bit of my hobbies and dreams. Well, I do have a few hobbies, like playing with cats because that makes me happy. Doing sports like probably gymnastics because I've been doing it since I was in 4th grade, and playing games with my friends. And about my dreams, I really want to travel around the world to beautiful places like Japan, Hawaii, Paris, and more beautiful places with my friends and family. And maybe build a cat shelter to help the stray cats eat food and also have a safe place to live. And now let's get into the review. Today I have a special menu from Barista Signature called Sushi Cake. Well, in this sushi cake we will got 8 pieces of sushi. We got the spicy salmon cream cheese, the mozzarella, salmon sakuro, California roll, salmon nigiri, tuna roll, Barista avocado, and the salmon cream cheese original. Well, the price is not that expensive. It's only 150,000 rupiah for 30 pieces of sushi. Worth it, right? And now I will be tasting it and review them one by one. And now let's get into the first sushi. So the first sushi that I'm going to taste is the salmon cream cheese original. And now let's give this one a try. The ingredients for the salmon cream cheese originals are gonna be right here. And I rate this one a good. Well, the cream cheese tastes very good and they give a lot of it. And with the meat inside, makes the sushi even better and tastes good. And now, let's get into the next one, which is the Barista Avocado. We have the Barista Avocado. Well, this one is a bit unique because it has an avocado slice on top of the sushi. Well, let's give this one a try. For the Barista Avocado will be appear right here. And about the sushi, it's very unique, has a very different texture to maybe all the others. Because of the avocado on top, it makes the sushi sweet and have a smooth texture to it. Maybe it's not my favorite because I don't really like sweet things on sushi. But still, we have the tuna roll. And now I am going to taste it. The ingredients for the sushi will be right here. And this one, I really like it. The tuna tastes very well, and plus the curry inside adds a crunchy texture to it. And with the mayonnaise on top makes it better. So next we have the salmon nigiri right here. And now I am going to give it a try.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
The salmon nigiri is a bit plain, only has 2 ingredients, this and this. But it still does. So next we have the California roll, which is this one, and now we are going to taste it. Because of the curry and all the meats inside makes the sushi very good. And with the flying fish roe egg on the top here, makes like a cute decoration to it. And for the ingredients, it will be right here. Now on to the next sushi, which is the salmon sakuru.
It's not for me to say you love.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's
That was delicious. The salmon tastes very good, and also the curry once again makes a crunchy texture to it. And here's the ingredients for the sushi. Now on to the next one, which is the mozzarella. So this is the mozzarella, and I'm going to taste it.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
The cheese flavor was amazing, and the mozzarella on top is very thick and adds a very good taste to the sushi. And with all the inside ingredients make the sushi taste even better. And for the sushi ingredients, it will be right here. Last but not least, we have the spicy salmon cream cheese, which is this one.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
That sure was spicy, but not that spicy. It still tastes good. And the ingredients are the same as the salmon cream cheese. And that's it for this food review that I got from Barista Signature. I would recommend you guys, sushi lover, to buy this sushi cake from Barista Signature. As I said, the price was not that expensive, and it came with 30 pieces of sushi. Hope you guys enjoyed this review that I made, and have a good day everyone. Bye bye!